All right, got a quad lock. Hey, this looks like fun. Looks pretty difficult, you know. Write in the comments if you like doing stuff like this. I didn't do this with the Harley. Not this rocky. Oh, lost some balance. The phone stayed because it was using a quad lock. Grab yourself a quad lock, link in the description, get the vibration dampener with it. You're gonna love it. His phone would be in the water. See? All right, everybody, we've been watching a lot of crashes and close calls with people using quad lock. We all know the reason why their phone is still there is because they're using a quad lock. I absolutely love the quad lock that we have here. I have the S20 Plus, but they have basically a phone case for everybody, and you can also get a universal adapter. I use the out front handlebar mount for the bicycles on my Super 73, having some fun doing the Smart Rider drills. I also use it on my motorcycle to have GPS, to have my music playing. And the reason why I like to have GPS, it's kind of like having a mini map for my riding, just like with Grand Theft Auto. I'm not speeding like Grand Theft Auto, but I like having my little mini map there. I use it specifically, this is the main reason why I use it now on the e-bike, is music, but here, the Smart Rider drills. I'm out here in the parking lot practicing, and here's a phone-friendly version of the drills. Absolutely love it. Practicing my drills, it allows me to focus on here. I don't have the booklet. I don't have to set it down and look at it, set it down, especially when you get towards the complicated stuff like this, the kidney. Check the link in the description. Absolutely love them. I've been using them for the last 6 months, and I'm going to use them for the next 6 months. We're going to do another review at the 1 year mark. Could be painful. Maybe you landed on a rock like right into his ribs. That could be painful. Break a rib, can't breathe. And now you're in the middle of nowhere. So be very careful with that. Yeah, check your body. Check everything. Lift your bike if you want. But check, make sure. Hey, he's got a vibration dampener. Very smart, buddy. Very smart. Yeah, you're going against like big time gravity. The leverage on that's pretty hard to pick. Oh, he's got friends. That's great.
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm sore.
Yeah. Hey, he's with a bunch of friends. They can. He's got a Fast House jersey. Nice. He's got a lot of friends. Hopefully they have a rescue pack so they can help each other out if somebody gets hurt. My new bike goes down. Hey, this looks familiar. Hey, it's an Indian FTR. Looks like the race replica version. The carbon. Ooh, in a corner. In a corner. Failure to negotiate a corner. Yeah, it's an FTR. It's an FTR S. 1200S. It's got the TFT display. Yeah, that's the race replica one. It has the red frame. Beautiful bike. That seat is not very comfortable though. Neither of them are.
Push.
I really want to get the Saddleman seat, but
Turn it left.
who knows? We'll see.
Yep.
Good job. Dude's got a beautiful bike, the FTR, I mean.
Hey,
Gear worked.
saved you, huh? Yeah.
Very good. He needs pantalones.
We'll start up. We can take her in there, or I can just push if you want.
Very good.
Your peg is
Encouragement, affirmation of he did a great job for buying gear. It's gonna really drive it home for the rest of everybody, like the guy with the sweater, the guy with the t-shirt. Please get gear. Hopefully they're gonna learn the lesson from their buddy crashing and seeing the damage to the shoulder and the elbow, and definitely see, hey, we should probably get some gear ourselves. You know, I don't like the Street Bob, like the Harley, I know they're Softails, not Dynas anymore. I don't like this little display. It's just too tiny. No, it's just too tiny. I guess some people like that, but I don't. I'm not a fan. I don't even care what happened here. It just bothered me. Okay, right-hand turner, cutting across, didn't even stop. Yeah, that pissed me off, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. It's supposed to be a 45-mile-an-hour road, and we're going well above 50, 60, and now we're getting in front of this person to antagonize them. Not very smart, buddy. Not very smart. Left turners, they shouldn't have been doing that. They had an arrow too, a red arrow also. Shouldn't have been doing it, but they did. It feels like we're just hitting a bunch of close calls here in California. Thankfully, he's got a quad lock. Not a big deal. Thankfully, we're gone from that. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh. Oh, I thought that was a motorcycle for a second.
You need help?
Yeah. Ask first, because it's very... There you go. Very good. Because you don't want to just start doing it because you don't know what kind of person this is. And if they say yes, that's great. Hey, doggos.
Okay. I'm just here to help.
Acknowledging the dogs. Dog wanted to sniff. He must be a dog owner. Hey, Liquor Chronicles, you're doing a great thing here. I love to see some positivity. You're helping out. You're doing your thing. Your motorcycle is probably, you know, indicating to other vehicles to switch lanes, so you're keeping them safe. The dogs, I mean. We got a caravan of... Ooh, that could have been...
Oh, yeah.
That's true.
I have been trying for over a freaking, well, I can say most of the day to try to get to the launch pad.
Okay.
I mean, this is all her belongings. Thankfully, you had gloves on if it bit your hand,
Oh,
right?
you're welcome.
She can do the rest. Good job, man. Good job.
Can rolling. Here, I'll get it.
Good job. You see how he looked for traffic before getting out in traffic? Very good with the situational awareness, man.
There we go. All right, good luck.
Yep. He's like, I'm done. Great job, man. I hope you guys liked this crash compilation video. We do post this on the MTC Rider Academy way early. And then Nathan over here edits the videos and puts them on Dan and the Fireman. We are working extensively on the new rider course. We have a basic rider course, we have the rescue course, and we're working really hard on filling out the teaching and mentorship program that we're going to be working on. Thank you guys for the support. If you want to support even more financially, join the MTC Rider Academy DDF Crew membership. And what that does, it's $4.99 the first month, $9.99 after that, and it funds everything because YouTube does not like these crash compilations. So I appreciate it. I'll be seeing you guys around. There we go.